Elon Musk stood in the cockpit of his spacecraft, watching the barren red planet grow larger and larger on the view screen. He felt a sense of awe and excitement wash over him as he realized that he was about to make history. For years, Musk had dreamed of colonizing Mars. He had poured his heart, soul, and billions of dollars into developing the technology needed to get there. And now, at long last, he was on the verge of landing on the planet's surface. As the spacecraft descended through the thin Martian atmosphere, Musk's heart was pounding with anticipation. He knew that the landing would be the most dangerous part of the journey, and that the slightest error could send him hurtling into a fatal crash. But he was determined not to fail. He had trained for years, and had assembled a team of the best engineers and scientists in the world. They had designed the spacecraft to withstand the harsh Martian environment, and had programmed it to land with pinpoint accuracy. And then, with a sudden jolt, the spacecraft touched down on the Martian soil. Musk let out a whoop of joy, and the crew erupted into cheers and applause. For a moment, Musk just sat there, basking in the glory of his achievement. But then he realized that this was just the beginning. The real work of building a new civilization on Mars was still ahead of him, and he was more determined than ever to see it through.